Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add profile picture on Gumtree. To add a profile picture on Gumtree, you'll first need to download and install the Gumtree application on your mobile device and launch it open and log into your existing Gumtree account. Once you're logged into your main homepage of Gumtree on your mobile app, go to the top left corner and tap on the hamburger menu. In the options displayed on the screen, select your username and email at the top. Now, tap on the plus icon right above your profile picture at the top left. Select a picture from your library or take a photo from your camera right now. To take a picture from your camera, tap on Take Photo and take a selfie of yourself and add it as your profile picture. To choose an existing picture, tap on Choose from Library. Now select a picture you'd like to use as a profile picture and tap Done at the top right. Resize your picture and then tap Save at the upper right once again. Finally tap Done at the top right and you will be able to add a profile picture for yourself on Gumtree. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.